What's up, guys? It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews. I'm out here in the backyard on the deck in the back, and I did something different. A few weeks ago, I asked for suggestions on if I should purchase a new gazebo or purchase a new gazebo top, a new fabric one, or get a metal one or polycarbonate. And the answer came up mostly metal. So I decided to listen to the people and get a metal one. The link of this product is also in the description below as well. I'll also leave my previous video in the description below as well, so you guys can check that out as well. And pretty much what we went through is putting it together. That is not going anywhere. It's anchored to the deck. It's very much anchored to the deck right there. All the footings are pretty much strong and sturdy. It has some give, but it's strong and sturdy there. So what this came with is practically the frame and the roofing. That's it. It didn't come with the mosquito nets. You have to order that separately. That's another $49 or $43, I believe it is. $43 to $49 to get that. So let me actually showcase that around. I'm tired of you guys looking at my ugly face. So let me showcase the product around and show you guys exactly all the work I did and how I went about putting it together, because while putting this video together, the installation piece unfortunately got lost. So I put it together without recording it any further, but I want to show you guys the finished product of it. So let's get to the video further. Let's go, guys. So this is pretty much the gazebo in full effect. There, it comes with these solar little solar lights that are over the top right there, and it's very strong. It has a strong metal beam, fully strong and sturdy, and every one of those is anchored with screws at the bottom. So that's the brand in itself, Modern Shade, and I'm gonna leave the link for that in the description below as well. But this only comes in 3 boxes, so you have to, when you get this, it will most likely be delivered to you by either UPS or FedEx. I believe it was FedEx that delivered mine, and it will come in 3 separate boxes. One box for the roofing material, one box with the pillars, and the other box has all these little braces and stuff of that nature that holds the whole gazebo top together and stuff of that nature. So it's a very rigorous process. Yeah, rigorous is the word. It's very rigorous to put this together. It took us a couple days to be exact. And for the record, it does not come with the fan as well. We purchased that separately. I purchased that separately as well. So to make a long story short, you can actually get you a solar fan, which is, if you want to save electricity, you can do that. But I decided to just get an electric one that comes with the light in it as well. So the fan actually lights up, easy to use, has a remote. I'll link the description. I'll link that in the description as well. I'll link the fan in the description as well. It's very easy to use. As you can see, this is the remote in question. And I believe that light do change colors as well. But it's not something I've already installed just yet. So to make a long story short, installation was not a breeze about this. And as you could see, there's a little defect there because the metal is a little brittle. As you getting up there over the top to actually secure the screws and things of that nature, that's where you have to pay attention and not put your knee or not put any elbow onto the metal there, because the metal is, while it's good, it's not really the strongest metal that you can get on this type of gazebo, but it's actually very, very good. It does its job. I like it very much. So to make a long story short, we decided to put it together piece by piece. It started with the form and then worked our way up. So this is what it looks like at the very, very top. And at night, these actually lights on. These lights come on. So it's like these little lantern lights there that you do have. So let's see if I can take them off. Oh, well, no need to. It's pretty stuck there. Yep, okay, pretty much done. But these are very, very cool. So what the next step of this is practically putting up the netting for it to complete this whole process in its entirety. And I was able to get all my furniture that I had from previous years that I've done reviews for in the past that you guys seen, such as these chairs and this rug, yada yada yada, and onto the deck as well. So I put all my stuff together, and now I'm practically fully summer ready. Water is good, deck is good. I'm out here enjoying myself. I got my towel rack over there, a fan, another fan, and this little fan as well. All right, guys, this is the complete version of the modern shade gazebo. It's my modern shade gazebo. As you can see here, everything's in the proper order now. Everything's placed where they need to be. It's a full relaxation vibe in here. But there's a couple things about this that are worrisome. The only thing that comes with this is the structural pieces and the roofing. That's it. If you need the curtains like this one here, you'll need to buy that separately. Also, this gets pretty hot, so you'll definitely need a ceiling fan, and that also comes separately. You could get a ceiling fan that's solar powered. This one's electric powered, so that was what I was going for. Wanted to just plug it in and just use it. It has a remote control that's right there, and in a little bit I'll go ahead and power it on for you so you get to see it, and also has a light in it as well, as you could see there that you're looking at. So this is pretty much the setup in a nutshell. It's a nice little outdoor hanging out area with a bar, not too far from the grill. You could just hop off the porch and go get what you need to eat and live your best life in the backyard, so to speak. So that's that in a nutshell. As far as the installation is concerned, I ended up losing the video. I couldn't get it back due to network issues that I was having. So to make a long story short, that installation part of this, which was what I was trying to actually showcase the most, sorry about that, is actually lost, and I can't retrieve it anymore. So it's not on the cloud. I don't know where it is. So I just need to make some modification to my cloud storage system to make sure that doesn't happen in the future, and my apologies for that. But that's pretty much that in a nutshell. It comes with instructions and a million screws. I would definitely suggest to hire professionals if you don't have 3 or 4 people to help you with this. 3 or 4 of my buddies, shout out to them, helped me put this up. It was a great adventure, so to speak. It took us 3 days to be exact. And now it's structurally sound. It's anchored to the floor as well, as you can see here. Every post is anchored to the floor. Can't go wrong with that. It's definitely a keeper. And these lights come on at night. These are completely solar. These are the little lights that it comes with, and it illuminates. And when it illuminates, this actually lights up as well. This just actually reflects the light also. So that's actually how cool this is. And the link for each of these products is in the description below. The shade, the fan, the gazebo in itself. And keep in mind, this comes through FedEx in 3 separate boxes. So you will receive 3 separate boxes if you want to get one of those. And this come in various sizes as well. I think this one is a black one. There's different colors as well if you're looking for a different color, but this one matched the house better. That's why we decided to go with the black. The link for this product will be in the description below, along with the fan as well. So that's how the fan works. All you do is 2 clicks of a button and it's running. You can turn on and off the lights, and it's very, very easy to use. You can't go wrong with it. Definitely like the investment. This actually is, the size of this is 10 by 10. I wish I got a 10 by 12, 2 inches longer would have been the ideal situation, or 10 by 13 would have been the ideal situation, but this works. If you want to suntan, you can actually hang out on this side here, put a chair and suntan. But if you don't want to, you have to be on, you could decide to be in the gazebo. So that's pretty much what that's for. And I hope you guys enjoy this day. I hope you guys enjoy this video as well. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe as well. This is the whole gazebo in a nutshell, and also the fan. I'll leave the link in the description for that. And also don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel, because 99% of you guys don't really subscribe. You guys watch my videos but don't subscribe, and I need subscribers. Help me out, brothers and sisters, help me out. Subscribe to the channel. I need you to subscribe. All right, guys, we on our way to 4,000. So I need 4,000 subscribers by the end of this month, to be exact. So subscribe, guys. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy, guys. Peace.